Hello you guys, check out my seafood boil. Excuse the couch in the back because I got a sheet on there just in case I turn around and touch it and I'll mess up my motherfucking couch. Not today. So I'm gonna make this a quick little video. Other than eating, you guys see it. Here goes the special sauce. Let me here. Look at this Smack-a-licious sauce, guys. I have chicken tenders, crab. I have noodles, potatoes, a shrimp, and corn. Egg. 2 eggs. Alright. Hope everyone's doing good today. And I don't like to peel my shrimp. Like when I get it, I like to do it, you know, on my own when I do my bag. That shrimp choked me. God damn. This is spicy. Oh, that little suck got me. Okay. Let me try. You know what? I'm gonna drink some beer. That soda ain't doing it. Shit, I'm about to choke, y'all. Woo! Ooh, scurs me. Yep, scurs me. Down south, I'm saying it like that. Let me cough again. Oh, y'all, excuse me. Okay, then I got the chicken tenders. I done dip it in my sauce. This shit's spicy. It's so good. I hate double dipping, but since it's just me, sometimes I still don't like to double dip, but I'm double dipping because it's chicken tender. Y'all, this potato, it already got sauce on it. I really don't need no sauce, but let me show y'all all the juices and spices. I'd be damn I sucked that because of the lie. That stuff went down my throat with the run down windpipe. Y'all, this potato's so motherfucking good. Oh shit. I guess this is what they call. I done dropped a whole potato up in there. Look at that shit. Good and juicy. Let's try one of these mussels. Ooh, I'm just dropping everything with these gloves on, honey. Ooh. Good God. And I got sausage. Let me put that in that sauce. Oh, look. This is good. If you guys can see the bottom of this pan with all the sauce and flavors on there, I really don't need my Smack-a-licious sauce. I really don't. me get into this crab leg. Oh shit. Look at all that juice dripping out of there. Well, you can't see it now, but oh yeah. Bang, bam. Ooh. Ooh. That bitch hollow. Hello, hello, hello. But it's good. Ooh. I'm glad I got my nails done right now. Oh,
it's a seafood bowl.
I'm live, please.
Ooh, this looks good.
Thank you. My son don't eat shellfish. They said it looked good. Ooh. Okay, don't play with that tongue. No, sir. Ooh, it's probably egg. No, just egg. I ain't got that much sauce, but I got some. It's not a lot, but I don't want to bite that much. This is delish. I'm gonna save some of that. I got some. How you guys do some of y'all sauce? It's like, let me know. This corn, I ain't finna put no sauce on because it's already drenched. God dang. Yeah, my chin dripping. Oh. Oh. Lord. Excuse me. Excuse me, not ladylike, but alright, you guys. I just want to show y'all my little seafood platter. Just want to show y'all. Just want to share. Me just eating some of that. I'm gonna tell you, this shit is good. It's good. The chicken is seasoned good. Got my nose running. Look at them potatoes. I don't even gotta bite it. Just suck it. And it's just breaking off. That's it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm about to smash in peace. Thank you for tuning in, even watching this video. Just know that I know that this shit is delicioso. Adios.